Hello guys, welcome back to Shiba News, the best spot for your daily dose of everything about Shiba Inu coin and cryptocurrency. In today's video, we will talk about Shiba Inu future. Keep watching this video to find out more so that you don't miss out on an excellent opportunity to win a giveaway of Shiba Inu coin at the end of this month. So be sure to stay focused as you surely don't want to miss out on this. If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads and also enter our giveaway. Please remember this is not a financial advice video. This could be the most important change to a Shiba Inu coin ever made. Shiba said that the Shiba ecosystem is growing because Shibarium could solve some of the biggest problems with the projects that have already been announced. The Shiba community may have paid the most attention to the second layer of the Shibarium. Today, we're going to talk about why Shibarium will send a Shiba Inu coin too. Before we talk about our topic, let's discuss the chart and see what's going on. The Shiba lift-off from the $140,400 million level in the last month set the stage for a bearish pennant setup on the daily charts. But the 20 EMA in red and the 50 EMA in cyan continued to act as recovery barriers, which caused a reversal. This change in direction broke a pattern, which put Shiba back on the bearish side. In the meantime, this difference of opinion led to a yellow channel. Even though the 2050 EMA was pointing south, sellers would still have the upper hand in the short term. A break above the current pattern could happen if the $900 to $84 million support area bounces back. In this case, the range of $1,044 million to $1,060 million could hurt the efforts to buy. If the close is above this range, either right away or in the future, the token will get a lot more attention than it needs. Shiba could see a bearish invalidation and test the 11 millionths of a dollar zone. On the other hand, if the price falls below the immediate support, the lower trend line of the down channel could be retested. The CHA and money flow CMF both go above zero when buying pressure goes up, but the troughs are higher. In the last few days, the price action has been going against the trend. Still, staying above the middle line for a long time could help the bulls. A look at the total Shiba futures open interest showed that it has gone up by almost 5.2% in the last 24 hours. At the same time, the price went up by almost 3%. This reading showed a sign of strength in the short term. If buyers use this to their advantage, a break above the current pattern could set the token up for a bull run. Also, there was a 43% correlation between the alt and so it could be important to keep an eye on how Bitcoin moves in relation to the overall market sentiment to find any bearish invalidations. Let's get back to the subject. We'll add to an already large network as the Shiba Inu ecosystem continues to grow thanks to big projects like Shiba the Metaverse and the Shiba Inu game that are part of the Shiba roadmap. Several other projects are in the works, though, and they will all use Shiba. Now, let's look at what we know about Layer 2 and what it can do for the Shiba army. Describe Shibarium. Shibarium is a solution for the blockchain and Layer 2. She came up with the idea of the Shiba Inu coin first. When the L2 RA goes live, Shiba tokens will be moved to it. At first, Oshi called it blockchain barium. It's more likely to be an L2 that sits on top of an Ethereum blockchain that already exists. In his now deleted blog, the person who made Shiba said a thin line separates an L2 from its own blockchain. What's the difference between Matic L and BSC, really? SHIB is not its own blockchain, and it doesn't mean that a Shiba Inu 2.0 token is on the way. Shiba Inu will continue to work with Ethereum. One of the main goals will be to lower the fees that people in the Shiba ecosystem have to pay to make transactions. In a blog post, its creators said that transactions for Pen would be approved in seconds. At first, Oshi said that Shibarium's transaction fees would be low or even free. During the Shiba chat on Discord, Toshi Kasama, who is in charge of the project, says that Shibarium will have low fees for any service, games, or other things that are built on it. High gas fees are one of Ethereum's most important problems. Since Shiba used the Ethereum network, it had to pay very high gas prices. When the Shaboshi NFT came out, Toshi talked about the benefits of the L2 on Twitter because the Shaboshi wasn't well received. As with other projects, Layer 2 will have some way of burning Shiba. It could also help connect different ecosystems. One Shiba Bera sneak peek says that the Shiba Bera hackathon will soon give outside developers the chance to build on top of the L2. Chat Toshi says that the winning teams will get money to build before the Shibarium comes out. Shibarium doesn't have an official release date yet, but it could come out in late 2022. The people who work on Shibarium have confirmed that the public beta will start in the third quarter of 2022. This will happen in 2022, between July and September. This comes after the country is united. I had said before that Shibarium was an alpha, but comments from members of the Shiba Inu team, who said that Shibarium wouldn't come out on September the 30th of May, have lowered these hopes. Shiba has distanced themselves from what Unification said about a public beta in the third quarter of 2020. Several members of the Shiba team have said again that there has been no date set for Sherry. But the Unification blog, which is posted in text on the official announcement channel in the Shiba Discord, says that the beta will come out in the third quarter of 2022. We'll have to wait until late April to find out what will happen here and elsewhere. Shiba thinks that Satoshi Kusama said that Shibarium would be here soon. Satoshi also said that there should be documentation about SHIB, probably in the form of a new blog post. During the Shiba Inu AMA Discord mod, Queenie set realistic expectations for the game's release date, so that people don't feel let down. The project doesn't do that. But Shiba then said Shiba thinks that Layer 2 will come out in 2022. This fits with what other people have said about its release date, which is September 20th, 2021. Satoshi said that SHIB was in the middle of something. In a March blog post, the Shiba team said that Layer 2 will still come out in 2022. Eric M., the developer, said that it will come out faster than Ethereum 2.0, which is still expected to come out in 2022, even though the Ethereum merge date is in September. But because there are so many projects going on, these dates may change based on what's most important and how development is going. Shashi stated in the Discord on January 20th that the game is going well. Shibarium, Shiba, it all takes time to move forward because you have to juggle so much. Is Shibarium going to be used? Even though Shiba and Leash tokens are more useful in Shibaswap right now, neither one of them will be the main pair tokens for Shibarium. It will be Bone Raw instead. OSHA explained why this was done by saying that Bones will have a fair and zero start, and we won't have to worry about well bags that are too high. When the Shiba swap first started, both Shiba and Leash owners got Bone, so there are probably a lot of Bone whales out there. The unified preview says that users of Shiba will also be able to get bones through Shiba. In order to get this bone, the Shiba DAO voted to stop making bones for the Shiba swap. Instead, the new treat token will soon be used as a reward on the deck. After 230 million tokens were made from bones in September, the process was stopped. Even though Bone was in Ra Yoshi's original plan, when the December Shiba AMA confirmed Bone's role in the L, some users were upset. Well, guys, that's all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on Shiba Inu? Get involved and let us know in the comments down below. If you guys like this video, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any new future videos, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video so that you're notified the next time we upload a video on the latest Shiba Inu coin and cryptocurrency news. Until the next video comes out, you can watch our other videos about Shiba Inu coin. Thank you for watching, and we will see you again in the next video. Goodbye.